I have a million drones on the Homestead. They're little tiny black drones. They got like two little wings and they go like this all around my head all day. You know what I'm talking about? Flies. We have so many flies on the Homestead. If you've ever used the roll, it comes in like a little tiny roll of quarters. You got to break the bottom and pull it out. Gets all over your hands, pretty gross and sticky. Effective, but I got it stuck in my wife's hair. If you want instant marriage counseling, get one of those rolled up fly traps stuck in your wife's hair and you'll have to work through some stuff. I've worked through the gamut of all the fly traps and baits out there. Hopefully this helps you. This has been really effective for us. The Star Bar fly stick. This is a used one. I just replaced it. Oh, come fly with me. Let's fly. Let's fly away. Pretty cost effective. I get 5 or 6 a year. Put one in the goat pen, in the garage, in the wood shop. I want to say this is a no-fly zone. Barn by the chickens. It really cuts them down. And if it gets gunked like this one, just replace it. You get one of these, keep the box, pull the new one out straight up, hang it, and then take the old one. It works great. It's just an easy way to dispose of death. This is the result of the entire last summer fly season in the garage. So we had the door shut a lot. This was just picking up stragglers. In the goat pen, we'll probably have to replace it every month. It might make it a season. It's so effective. Even though this looks super caked, if something lands on it, it's still going to get stuck. There's so much sticky left, but I want a new one. This is what worked for me. Try it. If it works for you, that's great. I'd love to hear what you do for flies.